My name is Mireille and I'm very excited to be your tutor. I was born in Mozambique, but I currently live in South Africa. I'm fluent in both English and Portuguese. I have an honors degree in music performance and I'm currently working on my 420-hour TEFL certification. I have 8 years of teaching experience with singing as well as 3 years of homeschooling teaching experience. My teaching philosophy centers around conversations in order for our classes to be practical so that you can have a more natural speaking experience. My aim is to design our classes in a way that it incorporates all your interests and all the favorite things that you love to talk about so that you can enjoy this beautiful learning journey. So whether you want to learn English or if you want to learn Portuguese, I'm the tutor for you. Book a lesson and you'll see just how beautiful this journey is going to be. Can't wait to see you. Bye for now.